You said last week you weren't looking ahead of this week because you were focused on Southern Miss, but
right.
Now that this game is here, I mean, what are your emotions going into it?
Really, there's no emotion yet. I mean, I'm sure there will be at some point because right now it's just preparation. It's jersey number 27 and he plays this, and jersey number 41 and he plays this, and trying to line everything up defensively to what they do, and trying to line everything up, special teams wise to what they do. So really, the emotion is out of it right now. I'm sure there's going to be some point. You have an emotional attachment to the kids that you recruited and you coached, and so I'm sure at some point that'll show itself. But right now it's just all about preparation.
Dean, what was most impressive about Josh Pascal when he got to campus?
Just really his size for what he does. You know what I mean? We got some big guys. Josh Allen's a big guy. Denzel Ware's a big guy. But Pascal's 260, 270. Doing those things, moving around, like he does. So that was the first thing that was so impressive. But when I heard how much he weighed, first of all, it kind of really doesn't look that, but when you see him do what he does, and you say, hey, he's 260 plus. And running around doing those things, it's pretty impressive for a human being that size to be doing the athletic things that he does at that position.
Mark said he was going to have you address the team kind of about your time at EKU and how you almost won this game a couple of years ago. I mean, is there any message that you give now that you're on the other side of it, kind of the top dog playing the underdog? I mean, does it change?
Well, it's always easier on that other side, and that's the thing I told Coach Stoops. It's easier to be the underdog. There's really no pressure. And just the other thing is that when you are the team that's not the underdog, the big thing is to match the intensity and match the energy and the passion of that other team. If you got the same emotion and passion and energy that the other team does, you should be in good shape.
Thinking back to that game in 2015, I mean, obviously you had to be proud of the way your guys played, but to lose the game in that fashion, I mean, how tough was that to get over?
It was hard because we lost the NC State game however many weeks before that was, and we talked in that locker room that, hey, if we're ever going to win a game like this, then what we can't be satisfied with is people just telling us, good job, you guys did a nice job, because we played NC State really well. And a lot of people were patting the guys on the back, and I said, boys, if you take that pat on the back, that losing and playing well is okay, we'll never win a game like that. And I really think that moment, in that locker room, that the kids bought in, and that really helped us going into the Kentucky game. They came into the Kentucky game, ready and able to, win the game.